Purecell Cleansing Oil, a blend of botanical oil that melts away impurities and stubborn makeup while protecting skin's natural moisture barrier. Hypoallergenic, dissolves makeup, removes pore buildup. Deep yet gentle cleansing that brightens and firms with every use. Key ingredients: black cumin seed oil. Known as Cleopatra's beauty secret, this oil helps improve overall skin condition. Berry flux, Vita. Active ingredients extracted from raspberry stem cells help increase moisture content and enhance skin elasticity. Jojoba seed oil. Enhances skin texture by thoroughly cleansing the skin and controlling excess oil from the sebaceous glands. Key benefits: cleansing with 75% natural ingredients. This product is free of allergens and impurities and contains 75% natural oils, including the patented Berry Flux Vita. Deep cleansing that dissolves oil with oil. Excellent cleansing effect from gentle yet powerful oils that effectively remove even sunscreen and waterproof makeup. Mild, powerful, pure cleansing, using a mild formula of EWG. All green grade, the gentle oil removes makeup residue and skin impurities without irritating the skin. How to use: apply 3 to 4 pumps onto your dry palm and massage gently over your entire dry face to dissolve makeup. Apply warm water to your face and rub gently until the oil turns creamy. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. How to use with other Incellderm products. For the perfect cleansing routine, complete in the following order. When cleansing, light to no makeup. Snow Active Enzyme Cleanser Cleanup Powder. When cleansing, heavy makeup. Purecell Active Cleansing Oil Cleanup Powder.